Hi, today we are going to discuss about deficiency diseases. So our body requires many different kinds of vitamins and minerals that are crucial for both our body development and preventing diseases. These vitamins and minerals are often referred to as micronutrients. They aren't produced naturally in our body, so we have to get them through our diet. A nutritional deficiency occurs when a body doesn't absorb or doesn't get from the food that the necessary amount of nutrient. Deficiencies can lead to a variety of health problems. Deficiency disease can be either vitamin deficiency or mineral deficiency diseases. So let's see it in detail. First one, vitamin A. Its constituents are retinol, retinoic acid, beta-carotene, and the deficiency disease is called night blindness. Then sources of vitamin A is carrots, papaya, milk, cheese, fish, liver oil, green vegetables, etc. The next vitamin is vitamin B1. Its constituent is thiamine, and the deficiency disease is called beriberi. The sources of vitamin B1 is brewer's yeast, whole grain, oatmeal, legumes, peanuts, dried soya bean, flower seeds, etc. The next vitamin is vitamin B2. Its constituent is riboflavin, and the deficiency disease is called araboflavinus. The sources of vitamin B2 is beef liver, lamb, milk, mushroom, spinach, almonds, etc. The vitamin B3, its constituent is niacin, also known as nicotinic acid. Its deficiency disease is called pellagra. The sources of vitamin B3 is tuna, chicken, turkey, mushrooms, bacon, broccoli, veal, etc. Then next vitamin B5. Its constituent is pantothenic acid. It causes acne and paresthesia. Its sources is chicken liver, sunflower seeds, salmon, avocados, corn, broccoli, mushrooms, etc. The next vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, its constituents is pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. It causes dandruff-like eruptions, pink eye, epilepsy, etc. And sources for vitamin B6 is fish, beef liver, potatoes, other starchy vegetables, fruits, etc. The next vitamin is vitamin B7. Its constituent is biotin, and it causes growth and neurological disorders in infants. And sources of vitamin B7 is raw egg yolk, liver, peanuts, yeast, whole wheat bread, cheddar cheese, pork, etc. The next vitamin B9. Its constituent is folic acid. It causes macrocystic anemia, birth defects, etc. Its source is dark leafy green like spinach, asparagus, broccoli, citrus fruits, beans, peas, and lentils. The last vitamin B is vitamin B12. Its constituent is various cobalamins. It causes macrocystic anemia, memory loss, pernicious anemias, psychosis, paralysis, etc. And its source is seafood, beef, chicken, eggs, etc. The next vitamin is vitamin C. Its constituent is L-ascorbic acid. It causes scurvy, and sources of vitamin C is amla, guava, chilies, kiwi, broccoli, orange, papaya, lemon, etc. The next vitamin D. Its constituent is calciferol D2 and cholecalciferol D3. It causes rickets, osteomalacia, etc. Its source is sunlight, mushrooms, alfalfa, fish liver, then cooked egg yolk, etc. Then vitamin E. Its constituent is tocopherols and tocotrienols. It causes red blood cell destruction, ataxia, retinopathy, peripheral neuropathy, reproductive failures, etc. And the source of vitamin E is wheat germ oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, hazelnuts, peanuts, etc. Another thing is essential fatty acid deficiency. The essential fatty acids constituent is omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid and omega-6 linolenic acid. It causes several bodily processes afflicted, then skin ailments, etc. Its source is fish oils, flaxseed oil, hemp oil, olive oil, pumpkin seeds, leafy vegetables, etc. Then the next vitamin is vitamin K. Its constituent is phylloquinone K1 and menaquinone K2. It causes lack of clotting of blood, lack of tissue renewal, and its source is green leafy vegetables, etc.